Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's W. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change those old thumbnails to something fresh. Something that's going to get you some more clicks and some more views. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, creators, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump on over here to the Needy Cat website. There we go. Now from here, you guys should already know how to upload your videos. So to change it, we're simply going to come over here to the little icon. We're going to go into the studio. And once we're into the studio, we're going to come over to your content. Then we're going to find out exactly what video we want to change. So we're going to come down here. This one here, we published this at December 31st, 2022. It only got 98 views. So we're going to come over here and we're going to click on the Edit Details button. And then from here, we're going to scroll down. Here's the thumbnail. You're going to see where you can go down to your thumbnail area. And when you click on these little three bullets, you're going to be able to change or download your thumbnail. But before we do that, if you guys haven't used or heard of TubeBuddy, which I'm sure you have heard of it, it's worth
it. Totally worth it.
You can see that I have above here the TubeBuddy Analyzer. Look, my personal opinion, I really like this tool. I see the value in it, and I'm going to show you how this works real quick. Before you change your thumbnail, you want to make sure it's better than the one you have, right? Thumbnail Analyzer is going to help you with that. So we're going to click on that. And you'll see this little pop-up come up, and it's already analyzed and shows you this piece here, your current thumbnail. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to drop and drag in the new one. Put it right here. And as you can see, it's analyzing. Now, once it's done analyzing, wow.
Did you see that? Did you see it? Did you see what? Wow,
That's pretty good. Now, 404% tells me that my thumbnail prior wasn't very good. Probably wasn't going to be something that someone was going to click on.
Not good. Not good at all.
So from here, all I need to do, scroll down a little bit more. And down here you can see where it says use selected thumbnail. Now, this is the easy way to do it. So I can click here. It'll say, do you want to publish this? I'm going to say yes. Because I already have it set up with inside of my studio, now it refreshed it, you can see it right up there in the corner. Now, the other way to do it is to simply come back down to the thumbnail. Once you click on the three dots and you click change, it'll open up an Internet Explorer window. You'll be able to click on the thumbnail that you want and it'll upload it for you. Well, I hope I get more views. Like I said, 404 is pretty good. Until then, hope you guys check out the channel. There's a lot of cool videos out there, a lot of great tutorials. If you like this short video, please do me a favor and click the like button, give me a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. I make these videos for you. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Take care, everybody.